Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript. Why it is so powerful, and dive into key concepts with examples. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a versatile, lightweight programming language used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Introduced in 1995, it is now an essential technology for web development, along with HTML and CSS. JavaScript powers everything from form validations to entire web apps like Gmail and Netflix. Benefits of JavaScript: fast and lightweight. It runs directly in the browser without needing external tools. Versatile. Supports both front-end and back-end development with frameworks like React and Node.js. Interactive. Enables engaging user interfaces with minimal effort. Widely used. Supported by all major browsers and widely adopted in the industry. Key concepts with code examples. Variables. Variables store data. Use var for older code, let for flexible variables, and const for values that will not change. Please check the code example. Loops. Loops help repeat actions. Here, a for loop iterates through an array to log each number. Please check the code example. Functions. Functions group reusable code. This greet function takes a name as input and returns a greeting. Please check the code example. Events. JavaScript listens to user actions, called events. Here, clicking a button triggers an alert. Please check the code example. Alerts, pop-ups, and confirmations. Alerts show simple messages, prompts take user input, and confirm dialogues ask for confirmation. Please check the code example. Interview questions. Defin. What is JavaScript, and how is it different from Java? JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted programming language primarily used for creating interactive and dynamic web content. Java is an object-oriented, compiled programming language used for developing applications on various platforms. JavaScript is executed in the browser, while Java requires a Java virtual machine. What are the different data types in JavaScript? JavaScript has the following data types. Primitive types: string, number, boolean, null, undefined, big int, and symbol. Non-primitive types. Object includes arrays and functions. Explain the difference between let, var, and const. Var. Function scoped, can be redeclared and updated, and does not support block-level scoping. Let. Block scoped, cannot be redeclared within the same scope but can be updated. Const. Block scoped, cannot be redeclared or updated, useful for constants. What is the difference between equal to and equal to in JavaScript? Equal to. Loose equality operator that compares two values for equality after performing type conversion. Example: 5 equal to 5 evaluates to true. Equal to. Strict equality operator that checks both value and type. Example: 5 equal to 5 evaluates to false. What is the document object model? The DOM is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It represents the document as a tree of objects, allowing JavaScript to manipulate the structure, style, and content of the web page dynamically. What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming in JavaScript? Synchronous. Code is executed line by line, Each step waits for the previous one to complete. Example: regular functions. Asynchronous. Code can execute without waiting for previous operations to finish. Example: callbacks, promises, and async or await. What are closures in JavaScript? A closure is a function that remembers and accesses variables from its outer scope even after the outer function has finished executing. Please check the code example. What is hoisting in JavaScript? Hoisting is JavaScript's default behavior of moving declarations, functions, and variables to the top of their scope before code execution. Variables declared with var are hoisted but remain undefined until initialized. Variables declared with let and const are also hoisted but are placed in a temporal dead zone until their declaration is encountered. What are JavaScript promises? A promise represents the eventual result of an asynchronous operation. It can be in one of three states: pending, initial state, not resolved or rejected, fulfilled, operation completed successfully, rejected, operation failed. Please check the code example. What are JavaScript events, and how are they handled? Events are user actions or browser occurrences like clicks, key presses, or page loads. They are handled using event listeners or inline event handlers. Please check the code example. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in resume LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person online class retake options, and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.